Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover deleted apps on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to recover all your deleted apps on your Android device, now to recover them, what you have to do is just simply open up your Play Store application, and after opening up your Play Store, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on your profile icon, now tap on Manage App and Device. After tapping on Manage App and Device, just tap on Manage. From here you will find Installed option. Just simply tap on it and then filter out Not Installed. And after tapping on Not Installed, now you will find all the apps that you have deleted from your device. So now what you can do is just simply select those apps that you want to reinstall it, and then tap on the install button which is on the top right corner of your screen, and after tapping on that, all the apps will be installed that you have selected. So in this way you can find all the deleted apps on your Android device. So that's it guys, this is how to recover deleted apps on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.